Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. One point in this connection is that at night when I am dreaming, I forget this body. This body, in dream I am seeing that I have gone to a different place, talking with different men, and my position is different. But at that time I don't remember that actually my body is lying on the bed in the apartment where I have come. But we don't remember this body. It is everyone's experience. Similarly, when you come again, awakening stage, in the morning, after getting up from the bed, I forget all the bodies I created in my dream. So which one is correct? This is correct, this body is correct, or that body is correct? Because at night I forget this body, and at daytime I forget the other dreaming body. So both of them not correct. It is simply hallucination. But I am correct, because I see at night, I see in daytime. So I am eternal, the body is not eternal. This is the fact. Antavattimi deha nitya sukta saririna. Saririna, the owner of the body is eternal, but not the body. In so many ways, Krishna is explaining about the material condition of this body. But those who are not very intelligent, with poor fund of knowledge, it is very difficult for them to understand. Otherwise, things are very clear. This point is very clear. That at night I forget this body. And in daytime I forget the body at night. This is a fact. Similarly, I may forget the body of my last appearance, last duration of life, or I may not know the future body, but I will exist, and the body may change, but I will have to accept another body which is temporary. But as I exist, it means I have got a body, and that is spiritual body. The spiritual body is existing, and spiritual advancement means, first of all, to know spiritual identification of myself. That's like Sanatana Goswami went to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu after retiring from his ministership. So he first of all said that Kiyami kano mare jape tapotra. Actually, I do not know what I am and why I am subjected to the miserable condition of life. Therefore, the miserable condition of life is this body, because I get in the dream also. When I get another body, sometimes we find that I am top of the very tall bamboo or tall mountain, and just I am falling down. And I am afraid, I sometimes cry that I am not falling down. So, these bodies, this material body, which body I belong to, which I am, actually I do not belong to any of these bodies. I have got a separate spiritual body. So this human life is meant for that realization, that I am not this material body, I am spiritual body. Then next question will be, then what is my function? In the present body, under some material condition, I am thinking, this is my body, and the body is produced under certain condition of this country or this family. Therefore, this is my family, this is my country, this is my nation. Everything in bodily concept of life. And if I am not this body, then in relationship with this body, either my family or my country or my society or my other relationship, they are also false, because the body is false. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,